Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Dee-Collins and I'm a second-year master's student at the Bard Graduate Center. And today I want to talk to you about this Souvenir miniature replica of a 17th century men's shoe with a red heel. At this time, high heels were being worn by both men and women as it was a sign of status, not of gender. This shoe became associated with King Louis XIV of France and can be seen in many of his portraits. He declared that only men who were in royal favor were allowed to wear the red heel, and this was one of the many instances of the king using fashion as a form of social control at the court of Versailles. This elite fashion statement became a coveted status symbol, and in many contemporary images, courtiers are often posed purposefully to display their red heels. Today, we can see the continuation of the association between status and the red heel in designer Christian Louboutin's very popular and very expensive red-bottom stiletto heels.